Imagine waking up tomorrow and every government on Earth announces the same shocking decision. Cash is no longer king. The US dollar, euro, yuan, yen, and almost every traditional currency are officially replaced by cryptocurrency. For the first time in modern history, the global economy runs almost entirely on digital money. Banks panic overnight, ATMs become useless, paper money rapidly loses value, and millions of people rush to convert their savings into crypto before their wealth disappears. At first, younger generations celebrate. No more slow bank transfers, no more international payment restrictions, no more dependence on traditional financial systems. Crypto investors suddenly become some of the wealthiest people on Earth. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other digital assets explode in value as governments, corporations, and entire nations begin competing for digital reserves. But then, reality becomes far more complicated. Wall Street faces chaos. Traditional banks lose enormous power because people no longer need them to store or transfer money. Massive financial institutions struggle to survive as decentralized systems begin replacing parts of global banking itself. Stock markets become extremely unstable. Because if crypto becomes the foundation of the world economy, volatility suddenly becomes a global threat. A single market crash could erase trillions of dollars within hours. Countries with strong technology industries may become richer than ever before, while weaker economies fall into financial disaster because they lack digital infrastructure and cybersecurity. Governments begin racing to control blockchain networks, digital wallets, and crypto regulations before losing economic authority completely. Then comes the biggest fear of all, cyber warfare. If the global economy exists digitally, hackers suddenly become one of the most dangerous forces on Earth. One massive cyber attack could freeze trade, destroy wealth, or collapse financial systems across multiple countries at once. The world becomes faster, more connected, and more decentralized than ever before, but also far more unstable. So the real question is, would a crypto-powered world create the most financially free civilization in history, or trigger the biggest economic gamble humanity has ever taken?